What is up, guys? Ivan here with getivan.com, and I'd like to welcome you to this video on what is this SignalWire dashboard. What is it? What is it all about? How do I use it? And so on and so forth. So once you make a copy of the SignalWire dashboard into your Google Drive account, then at the bottom you'll see a variety of tabs, sometimes referred to as worksheets. And there's a help tab here, which is designed to give you some general information about this template and how to use it in conjunction with Parabola. And in the header here, you'll see in these various sections videos all throughout and all kinds of notes and formulas for various stuff and things. So let me go through the basics of what this is. So first point, this is a spreadsheet based on, this is a spreadsheet-based dashboard for SignalWire. Okay, SignalWire is a service that is a lot like Twilio, except it's a lot cheaper. Second point, this integrates with a service called Parabola, allowing us to manage our SignalWire accounts in a crude but simple fashion. So in conjunction with Parabola flows, we can create some really sophisticated sort of apps without being super knowledgeable in about coding. And I've created these templates for a client, and I will put his credits here in the not too distant future. His name is Joe Anderson, and it's been a real pleasure working on this app for him, and really grateful for that opportunity. And it's just really excited to get this thing off the ground. Third point, this spreadsheet can be used to buy, manage, and verify VoIP phone numbers, as well as view large-scale reporting data and send SMS texts in bulk. So anything with VoIP phone numbers and texting and all that business, this is what this app can do. Excuse me. So if you need to use it for pay-per-call or for mass SMS text messaging and stuff like that, call recordings, then you can use this app for that purpose, and you can use this spreadsheet to manage your SignalWire account, in a pretty bulk fashion. The fourth point, please watch the tutorials to get started. Navigate the sheet using the tabs below. So there's going to be individualized video tutorials for all of the sections, and all the tabs are down here. You should consider each of these tabs to be a sort of micro app. There's maybe 15 or something, and they represent a facet of the SignalWire API, and they are individually, those tabs could be considered independent apps. Okay, and because of the integration with Parabola, you could completely focus on the use of any individual tab or combination of tabs. The flexibility of Parabola is incredible. So we'll get into that in some other videos. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.